My name is Brian Myers. I'm the Regional Sales Leader here at LEI Home Enhancements. Today we're here to talk to you a little bit about replacement windows. Now I know many of you probably haven't given too many thoughts about replacing your windows, but I'm here to explain to you why you should replace your windows, just a few of the reasons and actually how we can help. Now, some of those reasons include energy efficiency, noise reduction and security, and then on top of that, home sale revalue. Now, I think we can all agree that we're tired of paying a little bit too much on our energy bills. Now, one of the leading contributors to higher energy bills is the fact that you still have original or builder grade windows. Now, one of the things that we could do by replacing your windows that actually reduces your energy bill approximately 35 to 55% with us, and that average is actually right around the 49.2%. Now, how we do this is our windows are custom made to actually fit the openings. On top of that, we have foam-filled frames, Krypton gas, triple pane glass, solar band 60, and a lot of other benefits that we'd love to have a representative come out and show you exactly what we can do. Now, with all those features, we have what's called warm edge technology. Now, to be considered warm edge technology, you have to be within 3 degrees variance. So what our windows will do for you is no matter what the temperature is outside, your home will be regulated to within 3 degrees variance. So for example, 100 degrees out in the middle of August, thermostat set at 70, the inside of your home will get no warmer than 73 degrees. And then vice versa, 10 degrees in December, set at 70, it'll get no cooler than 67 degrees, which will drastically reduce the amount of AC and heat that you have to use, which then translates to that financial savings on a monthly basis. Now, some of the extra benefits that you might not know about windows is our windows actually have a lot of noise reduction and security benefits. With our foam-filled frames, that Krypton gas, triple pane glass, that's going to significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that comes in through the home. So those dogs barking will get a little bit lighter. You might even be able to take an extra nap in the middle of the day. On top of that, they'll reduce the sound from trains. Anything you got going on, just general heavy traffic flow. Now, we have many security features. One of the biggest features we have is what's called end-to-thorough-cam locking action, which we will show you more in detail once you have us out for a consultation. But what that basically means is where most of the industry standard windows, the locks kind of just slide right inside themselves. Ours actually wrap all the way around themselves, preventing it to be picked from the outside. Now, the last thing I want to mention is home sale revalue. So if you're looking to sell the home anytime in the future, our windows actually will do that. Home Remodel Magazine and Realtor.com have windows as the #3 biggest home improvement to do to get your return on investment, with a return of about 74% from the retail side. Also, you'll find out when you meet with our rep that the difference there is that we do not have retail prices. Therefore, this is a great investment opportunity at this point. Now, on top of that, we do have a transferable 50-year lifetime warranty, which only increases that opportunity. Now, if you're ready to take the next much needed step to replacing your windows, I encourage you to give us a call, reach out to us, schedule a free consultation, and we'll be able to show you exactly more about our window and what we can do for you and your home. Now, one last thing before you go, please be sure to hit the subscribe button below. That way you don't miss out on future videos and exclusive offers.